Hey, I'm Team. In this video, I will give a trick to you guys. How to play YouTube music in the background without downloading additional applications. The first thing you need is just the Google Chrome application. The first step is of course to open www.youtube.com. Click the .3 icon in the top right corner on the screen. Check the desktop site box. Then look for videos or music that you like and want to play behind the scenes. And play it. Hey, I am Team. In this video, I'll give you information. After you play, return to the main menu. Then swipe the screen from top to bottom. Then there is the notification of the sound player from Google Chrome, and we can play it. Download SuperMi in the Play Store.